Okay, here's Blackbird, starting from the intro. What I'm doing is third finger on the third fret of the sixth string and the second string open. So I pick those two. And I'm using my second finger on the second string and my first finger on the third string. So I pluck 6 and 2, then I hit the third string. Now I'm going to put my first finger on the second string first fret and I pluck 5 and 2, hit the third string. Then 2 on the fifth string and 3 on the second string. I pluck those two strings and then third string. Then I take that and slide up to 12 and 10 and I pluck those two. And then I hit 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Pluck 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Now I'm going to, when the singing starts, it repeats that exactly. 6 and 2 with my third finger on the sixth string, third string, 1 on the second string, open on 5, third string, 2 on 5, 3 on the second string, third string, slide up to 12 and 10, pluck that, then 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, pluck 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then here's the take these broken wings part. So this is 3 on the fifth string and 5 on the second string. I pluck those two, then third string. Notice it's usually third string in between these chords. Then I'm going to second finger on 4, first finger on 3, pluck, third string. Then I'm going to duplicate that just up here at 5 and 7. So here's 5 and 7, third string. Then I switch, this is 6 on the fifth string and 5 on the first string, pluck those two, then third string. Then 7 and 8, 7 on the fifth string, 8 on the second string, I pluck that. Then we're back to that finger pick again, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Move this to 6 and pluck again, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Move this down to 5 and 7, third string, 4 and 3, pluck that, and third string. 5, this is 3 on the fifth string, 5 on the second string, pluck that, and then we're going to do the finger pick again, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. I'm going to take this third finger and move it to the fourth fret, pluck 5 and 2 again, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Take these two fingers and move it to 3 and 2, pluck 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then second fret on the second string and fifth string open, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Now this changes from hitting the fifth string to the fourth string. So my first finger goes here and I'm going to hit the fourth string. So that's 2 and 4 with the third string in between, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Then third on the sixth string and second string, I pluck those two, 3, 2, 6, 2, 3. Then I'm going to go to what is called the fill. That's the very next line. So this is going to be 3 on the fifth string, 5 on the second string. I pluck those two, third string, 2 and 3, pluck, third string, 2 on the second string, open on the fifth string. Then the finger pick again, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then first finger on the second string and 4 will be open. 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Third finger on the sixth string and open on the second string. 3, 2, 6, 2, 3. Then you go back and repeat the verse. And we just went through the verse. And you don't do that last fill section that I just did. Now, I'm going to skip ahead to the chorus. And this is the part that goes up here at 8 and 10. So here's 8 and 10. This is the part that goes, Blackbird, fly. Okay, so that starts at 8 and 10. 8 on the fifth string, 10 on the second string, I pluck those two. Third string. 7 and 8, 7 and 8, pluck, third string. 5 and 6, pluck, third string. 3 and 5, pluck, third string. 1 and 3, pluck, then the finger pick, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then move that to 3 and 5, pluck, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Now we kind of repeat that, part of it. So we have 8 and 10, third string, 7 and 8, third string, 5 and 6, third string, 3 and 5. Now 1 and 3, then the finger pick. Now here's where it changes. You're going to go 2 on the second string and 5, fifth string open. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then 1 on the second string and open on the fourth string, pluck. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. And then you're going to go to, this is just like the very first line. 6th string, 3rd fret, and 2nd string. Open on the 3rd string. 1 on the 2nd string, open on the 5th string. 3rd string. 2 on 5, 3 on 2, 3rd string. Slide up to 10 and 12. Pluck, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Pluck, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. So that's a repeat of the intro, the very first line. Then we're going to do the 3 and 5 part again. So that's where you're going to do this. You're going to have 3 on the 5th string, 5 on the 2nd string. So we go 3rd string. Then you swap the fingers to 4 and 3, 5 and 7, 6 and 5, 7 and 8, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6 and 8, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5 and 7, 3rd string, 4 and 3, 3rd string, 5, a 3rd on the 5th string, 5 on the 2nd string, then the finger pick, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, then 3 and 4, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2nd here on the 2nd string and open on the 5th string, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then here's 1st fret on the 2nd string and 4th string, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. Then 3rd on the 6th string and 2nd string open, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. So that's an all of a repeat. Now the parts of the songs are starting to repeat. Now we come back up here and do this Blackbird fly thing again. So that's going to be 8 on the 5th string, 10 on the 2nd string, 3rd string, 7 and 8, 5 and 6, 3 and 5, 1 and 3, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 3 and 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Again, 8 and 10, 3, 7 and 8, 3, 5 and 6, 3, 3 and 5, 1 and 3, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 2 and 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 1 and 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. And then you're back at the beginning part, that very beginning part again. 6 and 2, 5 and 2. Then here's the 3 and 2. Slide up to 12. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Pluck. 3, 2, 5, 2. Now you keep doing it in this section. You do it again. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Pluck. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Pluck. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. And then you go pluck, 3, pluck, 3, pluck, 3, pluck. And then you hit it and slide down. Then you're at this section again. 1 on second string, open on 5th string, 2 and 3, then 5 and 3, back to 2 and 3, 2 on the 5th string, second string, open on 5, 1 and 4. Notice that these are all kind of repeats of what we did. So that's pluck, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. Now it's all like starting at the beginning again. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Pluck, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. 3 and 5. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. 7 and 8. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. 6 and 8. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. And then 5 and 7. 3rd string. 4 and 3. 3 and 5. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Moves to the 4th fret. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. 2 on 5. 3 on 2. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. 2 on the second string. 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. The second string and 4th string. 3, 2, 4, 2, 3. 6 and 2. 3, 2, 6, 2, 3. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. 2, 5, 2, 3. Repeat that again. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. And that's the end.